Hello guys, how to fix Microsoft Store games not downloading or installing in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix if you fail to download or install Microsoft games, first workaround is go to Windows settings and set the correct date and time of your Windows PC. Go to date and time and first disable set time zone automatically and set time automatically, and thereafter set date and time manually. Click on change and change correct date and time of your Windows PC and choose change button, and check whether Microsoft Store games apps downloading or installing or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, right click on a start button and choose run command box and clear Microsoft Store caches. Execute the command WSREACT and press OK in run command box. It will clear Microsoft Store, Windows Store caches. Thereafter, from the left pane of Microsoft Store, choose library and update your Microsoft Store app. Choose get updates and it will update your Microsoft Windows Store app in your Windows 11-10 system. Next, apply Windows Store Troubleshooter. Go to Windows Search and type Store Troubleshooter. Find and fix problems with Windows Store apps. Click on Open to run Windows Store apps troubleshooters. Here, under Advanced Options, make the check against option, apply repairs automatically and choose next button, and let the Windows detecting problems of your Microsoft Store and repair them accordingly. And if your problem is still running in your system, Windows failed to download Microsoft games, the next workaround is again go to Windows settings. Here go to apps, installed apps, and look for Microsoft Store app. Click on three horizontal dot against Microsoft Store, choose advanced options. From the right side, scroll down and you will find the option reset. First, if this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. Choose first repair. If this app still is not working right, reset it. First repair it, otherwise reset it. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to again Windows settings and change your storage. Under system settings, go to storage and go to advanced storage settings. Here choose where new content is saved and change your storage location. New apps will save to change current location. For all the apps, documents, music, videos, change your drive other than previous drive and click on apply button to save the changes against each options, and your Microsoft Store games app definitely now downloading and installing in Windows 11 and Windows